There we go. Hooked up. Got one. I forgot which one oh yeah, I got this one. Should I just get two this time?
Might as well. You do some fishing. Does this have a white belly?
Yeah, dude.
I do like this color.
It's kind of wet, I guess.
I'll just keep using mine though.
Did you just haul butts straight for the rods?
Yeah,
you
I'm
even
for them. Right here's what I bought.
Is that what you're using?
This is what I would get.
I'm not buying that.
Why? It's not that expensive.
What are you getting?
60 bucks?
I'm not.
How much?
Look, well, this one's right. Which one would you? You do need an ugly stick, I have to admit. Which one
is it?
Which one?
It's $80.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
No, this would be. This is good. This is a nice rod for how much it costs.
Yeah,
nice and light.
Is it just us, or does your fishing store have like no selection for anything? Let me know down in the comments below if this is the way your fishing stores are, like Fleet Farm, Walmart, Tyson's, whatever you guys fish with. Let me know in the comments if yours are empty as heck. Ended up restocking a couple things on at Fleet Farm today. We're gonna be going back out tonight. Stay tuned.
Stepping shit.
Let me see.
Did you step in poop?
Yeah, it's like
You stepped in poop?
No, it's like candy or something's on my heel.
That was really gross how you smelled your finger.
Oh, what if it was poop?
When you're spending every day on your own, and here it goes, I'm just a kid. Life is a nightmare.
Look at that! Oh my god!
What?
Fucking tag
Just
box is
toads.
nasty.
There's just toads in there. That's all it is.
Dude,
What do you fish with?
this is disgusting.
I've never
Look
heard
at all of that.
I've never heard of anything other
What
than
is your
horny toads.
problem? Oh my
Oh
god!
yuck, dude!
How does that even happen?
It got wet.
Oh my gosh!
you!
Everything just rusted.
That's a sad day.
Motherfuck. There we go. Hooked up. Oh.
Did you break your line? No.
No.
No, that was a bass.
Oh no. Oh, right there. Jeez, I literally plopped it down. Did you get one? We just doubled. We just doubled. That didn't even hit the water, bro. How big's yours? See you later, Rick. Hooked up. Didn't even know I had him on, to be completely honest with you guys.
There's another one over there.
Oh yeah, that's been a minute pre-spawn still. I got a like a little mini lunkers log with a Texas rig, basically. Mine's pretty hard to fish right now. Got one. Knew it. Fish out. Didn't even quite sure knew I had him. Not a big one, but just good to catch. Put you right back. Watch the hook in the hand. Hooked up. I set the hook on that one, let me tell ya boys. Another one. On the old Texas rig wacky. Just like that, boys. Oh, that ain't a bad one. Somewhere back here, I think.
What's up, buddy?
What's up? Oh, where the fuck is it? Can you see it back there anywhere?
Yeah, I'll probably grab
Thought it was back there somewhere, unless I dropped. Oh, it's right here.
it. Get a quick wait.
Dude, that's a good one. That's a 2 at least.
2.5?
Yeah.
Not bad.
2.5.
Alright.
Hell yeah.
See you, buddy.
Get it? No way. No way. One cast, you here now? I'm gonna throw this guy out, try to catch some minnows maybe. If I'm not working, I'm pretty much always game. There we go.
There you go, it's here.
Pike, baby. Dude, that is not what I was expecting